Now we go to our MOA signing and turnover of our donation with the RC Las Piñas. Our friends from RC Las Piñas, please take the seat over here to my right. And I'll call also our Vice President Chris. And Director Rodrigo also. Please come forward. Let me just read our turnover and donation with Las Piñas. We are witnessing the signing of our MOA between the RC Makati and RC Las Piñas. This is a project in partnership with RC Makati and RC Las Piñas for Pilar Grant Project. For the information of our friends and fellow Rotarians, this project is for the Sorsogon East Central School Facility upgrade in Burabod, Sorsogon City, costing a total of 220,000 pesos. Palakpakan naman kayo dyan. RC Las Piñas has approved the funding to its district pillar grant amounting to 60,000, and this is augmented by the remaining fund of 160,000. RC Las Piñas will donate 80,000 as club equity, and the remaining counterpart of 80,000 will be donated by the RC Makati as our counterpart. So palakpakan naman po tayo dyan. Okay, picture taking. Tatak natin. Smile, smile pag may time. Okay, and the turnover of the big check. Yan ang checking, hindi ho tumatalbo. Okay, thank you. Let's go give them a big hand, please.